Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and then scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font Style. Now you can tap on Classic or Default Font right away and hit Apply. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to try something else, go back to the same settings. But this time choose Download More at the bottom and tap on the best font style for you. When you're done, choose Download and then hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, style of my text has changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!